What's up, everybody? I am back. I have another brand that I want to talk to you guys about. I was sent this box and it is so adorable. Yes, let me tell you, I just received the Emma VIP beauty box, honey. Let me do a thumbnail. Yes, honey. Look, I'm excited to open this up. I'm just gonna tell you all about it when I open it up. And I'm opening it up for the first time, by the way. It says, hi Donna, I'm so excited that you are on the Emma team. Please enjoy your gift. Oh, yes, I do already. Let me tell you, Emma has sent me amazing nail polishes. Who would not want to have this, honey? Here are some of the colors that they have in the box. They have I'm Naughty and Love It, and that's this beautiful one right here. You Molten My Heart, Rose Gold is my favorite, Candy Cane Lane, Meet Me Under the Mistletoe, Merry Christmas, 'Tis the Season to Shop, You Bring Me into 19, Let's Go Skating in New York, Pour Me a Glass of Bubbly, Want to Play in the Snow, and I Prefer Tiffany over Fruitcake. Come through. Come through. Of course, they give you your clear polishes at the top, but look at all these beautiful colors. Look. The packaging is everything. Come through, Emma. Gosh, it's such a great gift though. My sisters, they will love this. I want this. I adore this box here. Man. So I'm gonna put all the information right here on the screen so you guys can make sure you go over and get you a box. And I'm gonna ask for a promo code, so just look down below and I'll put all of that information so that you can take advantage of the Emma collection, honey. This is the Emma VIP beauty box that is absolutely adorable, and I know you guys are going to go check it out. So you know, I am here for the holidays. I'm here for it. I'm here to just tell you guys what's good. I'm here to show you the goods, the bads, you know, all that good stuff so that you can be ready for the holidays. You know, I'm here for you. So if you don't really have a gift in mind and you're like, I don't really know what, listen, every girl, every woman loves a cute nail polish. And to give them several choices, and the titles are everything. So let me just tell you, these nails are getting ready to be gold. Okay? They're getting ready to be so cute for the holidays because I'm going to just switch it up every week because I have that many options. Girls gotta have options, you know? So, again, I will leave all the information down below for you guys. And don't forget to hit that bell so that you will see all of the goodies. I told you guys I am going to be getting these videos out because I know it's been a minute and I want to be here for you. So I'm here. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk with you guys later. Bye.